It's the monsoon season. Finally, rains are here, and the monsoon brings a freshness in the air after the long hot summer days. However, along with the rains also comes the wet and damp atmosphere with hassles like protecting the house from leaking walls, termite infestation, fungi, etc. The dampness and moisture that may be congenial for the environment, but it's not the same for furniture and accessories. Hi, I'm interior designer Seema Seth, and I help women become financially independent by training them online in the skills of interior design. Today I have come up with 5 tips to maintain your home. By following these tips, you can make your home monsoon ready. First, pay attention to the seepage on the walls. It is necessary to protect the walls during the monsoon. A simple way to keep the interior safe is to keep the exteriors intact. Cracks and leakage spots are common in this season, and if not given immediate attention, it may lead to dampening of roofs and walls. Check for the cracks and fill them with waterproof mortar. For overall exterior and interior protection, paint the walls with a waterproof paint, and yes, it can be decorative too. Second, furniture maintenance. Maintaining the overall condition of furniture should not feel difficult or cumbersome. A smart step you can take by keeping a gap between the wall and furniture that could help in preventing damage caused due to the absorption of moisture seeping through the walls. Use a dry cloth to clean the dust that settles on the furniture, as dust has the tendency to absorb moisture and this could cause irreparable damage to the furniture. Third, check electrical wirings. Be careful about electrical wirings. One of the biggest risks during the monsoons can be electric malfunction, and it can be dangerous and even fatal if not prevented. Any exposed wiring or sockets may lead to a short circuit if comes in contact with water. Fourth, don't let the water stagnate. Stagnant water is a breeding ground for mosquitoes and other pests. Hence, provide slopes wherever possible for the overall health and aesthetic value of your home. If your house has a pathway, washing it thoroughly and drying the area by exposing it to direct sunlight can reduce the growth of fungus and moss. Fifth, ventilate the house. Open your windows and let there be ample cross ventilation. This avoids the spread of musty odor and damp walls. You can invest in a dehumidifier that can help avoid moisture buildup. Another easy and less expensive method is to regularly vacuum the space. Allow some amount of direct sunlight to enter and dry up the furniture as well as the entire space. So, the trick is to avoid damages through timely intervention, maintain the premises, and have limited repair bills, which is not as difficult as it sounds. If you're on Instagram to learn about interior design skills, click on the link to fill up the form given in the bio. Friends, if you like this video and would like to start a journey of becoming financially independent by learning interior design skills with me, do press the like button and share it with your friends and family members for whom this video will be very helpful. If you are on Instagram, then you must follow me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to it fast. In my next video, I am coming up with how to protect your furniture and furnishings during monsoon. By choosing to stay with me, you will get lots of ideas on how you can become financially independent by learning the art of interior design skills. So, I take your leave now for today and will meet you soon in my next video.